What's happening, everybody? I just come from my cousin's house. I had him, he's got his FFL, and I had him order me a new AK. It's made by Chiappa, well, imported by Chiappa. It's made in Romania by Nova Modul, and it's an RAK-22, 22 long rifle. And I got 10 rounds of Federal auto match loaded up. Let's see how it does. Seems like it's pretty decent. So it's going to be fun to plink with. I got a couple friends that have the AR-15 22s. One of them's got the Mossberg, the 715, I think it is, in the AR chassis, and another one has the Smith & Wesson M&P 1522. Now the threads on it are 1/2 inch 28 right-handed, which is kind of depressing because I've got a half a dozen of the slant muzzle brakes. I just wanted to put on it for looks. You know, what the hell you need a muzzle brake on a 22 for, other than looks. But I've seen a few other ones that are made by somebody else, and the parts are plastic. And the one I did see, the front gas block was cracked, but this one, everything's made out of steel, and it's actually probably cast, but look like AK parts. I mean, it breaks down just like an AK. Black plastic pistol grip, and I'm not a real fan of the kind of blonde wood. I think I got some red laminated that I may try to put on it, but we'll see how that goes. So it's interesting to play with.